beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kali.alexandria. Super excited to have you in this what I eat in a day video with me. So it is currently winter, and in the winter time I really crave like warm, comfy foods. I know that sounds really weird, but I just find comfort in food in the winter, and I'm a pretty big foodie and I like to eat pretty good. So I thought I would take you guys with me for a what I eat in a day. I haven't done this type of video in literally forever, and I love watching these videos, so I figured I would do one for you guys today. I'm putting on some primer before I go to the gym. You guys, Tula Blurring Face Primer, unmatched. It is the best thing to ever literally be made. It like blurs your pores and your acne, and it makes your face look so good. I literally just wear this sometimes, like by itself. I don't even put foundation over this. It just makes me feel a little bit more confident, so I highly recommend. But we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. But if you guys enjoy it, give me a like and subscribe because I post videos every single Wednesday, and let's go. Now it is time for lunch. I am just eating this healthy choice chicken fajita meal, and usually I do stay away from processed foods and sodium, but this particular day I did pick up some of these type of meals and it was actually really tasty. I liked it. So that's just something you guys should, keep in mind, just watching your sodium intake, because it's definitely not good to have a lot of it. But now I am just eating some granola, and then you guys saw me eat a few slices of salami. Is anybody else a huge salami fan? I can just snack on it all day. And then after the gym, I eat a little post-gym snack. So I'm just cutting up some cucumbers and carrots and then dipping it in ranch. So good. Let me know in the comments if you guys do that too. What are you eating?
Pop-Tart.
My lovely fiance couldn't help it and wanted to be in the video as well. So you guys just saw a funny clip of him. His meal contained a Pop-Tart. So I wish I had the metabolism that he does, but unfortunately I don't. And as a woman, I kind of have to watch what I eat to make me feel the best that I possibly can. So now my fiance is actually making some dinner, and I'm grabbing some sweet tea. I love switching up what I drink within a day because I feel like sometimes I get bored with water, so I mix it up. Sometimes I have Diet Coke, sometimes sweet tea, or whatever it may be in the fridge, whatever I pick up at the grocery store. So now I'm just kind of loitering around the kitchen and watching him cook. He definitely has a contraption here, and looking back, I'm like, I don't know what he was doing, but I just make sure that I am just being a good project manager, and then also playing with my dog, which you guys will see her in a second. Lately, we have been eating HelloFresh meals, and I cannot rave about them enough, especially, honestly, any kind of meal delivery service. So amazing, especially if you like to eat pretty good and you don't care to find new recipes and try new things. So highly recommend. We're eating this yummy meatball dish, if I can talk, and it was so dang good. You guys have to try this. I've been obsessing with chocolate covered gingerbread cookies that I found at Aldi. So I'm just eating one of those for dessert. Usually I eat between like 1 and 3 of those for dessert or whatever I can find in the fridge. But now it's time to wind down. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!